So a lot of people really struggle with thoracic cars because they can't get out of their head when they're doing it, and they get hung up on, do I rotate and then I side bend? Do I side bend and then I rotate, et cetera, et cetera. Now, if you or your clients are one of those people, one thing that you can and probably should try is getting out of your head and getting into your body when you're going through it. What that would look like is focusing on what you're feeling and trying to really collect that contraction in the front of your abdomen, which will inevitably bring you into flexion. And then focus on spilling that contraction over into the front and side, collecting that contraction right in the side of your abdomen, in the back and side, directly in the back and other side, spilling it directly into the other side, into the front and side, and then back into the front again. Often when people do that, they'll end up doing the movement correctly anyways, and even if they don't, learning the skill of getting out of your head and into your body and focusing on what you're feeling is probably a skill worth adding to your toolbox if you're one of those people anyways. So next time you go through thoracic cars, try and give that a try. Focus on what you're feeling, collecting that contraction and spilling it all the way around so that that contraction literally comes full circle around your torso when you're going through the movement.